Hi there, my name is Michael from freshbelief.com, and today I'm going to be showing you my income report for the first quarter, January to March of 2017. Now, I'm just going to go through step by step my different earnings, the profits, the losses, the income, the expenses, just letting you know what I made and what is the potential for you to make too. So I'm just going to go through the step by step, just showing you this. Now, some of the courses in the future, they could change, but at this current moment, these are the ones that I recommend and the ones that I talk about. So just take some of this, you see it, okay, it might change in the future. So yeah, alright, let's move on. So just going to move myself to the side. Okay, so yeah, as always, so at the top of every page you're going to see this. This is like my site is constantly evolving beast right now, and I've got this at the top, so if you're interested in passive income, boom, sign up here. You know, pretty simple. It's a free course that I've created. I do plan on upgrading the course now because I've learned some new knowledge, but yeah. So yeah, this is the January to March, and building myself back up. What I mean by this is the whole of 2017, I was in a terrible position and I wasn't very good. Things were just going down in my business, so I needed a new way to bring things back. So what I did is I've actually started to do things better. Like, okay, now I've started to jump on my blog, even though I haven't done I haven't done a post since February. I'm going to start doing this stuff weekly or bi-weekly now. I'm back on the train, as you call it. So yeah, as I say, they're back. Here they are. Here to stay. Now, yeah, I did abandon them. The reason for it is because, you know, I just got disinterested, and I wanted to just relax and do what I wanted, you know. But I abandoned my businesses, so yeah, it kind of didn't go well. So yeah, why I publish them. Now, these are for me personally. Now, I do give them to you to look at that, and if you're interested to see them, great, and if it inspires you, fantastic. But for me, it's just to keep me motivated, and it lets me know, okay, I'm moving in the right direction or wrong direction based on my income. Now, this actually allows me to see I am staying on track, because if I'm not, well, I see my income goes down. Now, and at the same time, I show you profit and losses, because some people say, oh yeah, I made like $5,000 this month. But they don't tell you they spent $2,000 in ads. They don't give you the profit and losses. I give you everything. So yeah, I created this one myself. Or most of these, well, this one, yeah, I had someone else. I did this one and this one myself. Let's have a look what's going on the side. Recent post, yeah. So if you look, okay, yeah. So a lot of these I've had outsourced, but I get them done for about $5. The new deal I've got is $7.50 for 3 images by someone really cool. So yeah, why I changed quarterly? Well, the reason behind it is because I was constantly doing, okay, it was 3 posts in an income report, 3 posts in an income report, and I didn't really want to do that. I felt it wasn't beneficial to me or my audience. So I just stopped them, and I just felt a pressure over me that I was like, okay, what's happening? I need to do this, and it just felt as if, okay, I'm just going to be doing income reports every single month. So for me to actually change this to quarterly, it's relieved a lot of pressure on me. And I'm more relaxed to do this. So the first business, the Kindle business. Now, in 2017, I didn't do much publishing, and I basically stepped back, and I still earned money from it. Yeah, I was still running my ads passively. I was looking at them every couple of days, just to earn some extra income. But yeah, it's been one of the things where I've been able to profit well from my Amazon business, month on month. Now, it did stay under 1,000 per month on average, but at the same time, I didn't do much for that. So as you can see, okay, I earned over the last 3 months just under $3,000, which I gotta say, for sitting on my boxer shorts, is not bad. The only kind of work I've done on my Kindle business is actually going towards new books. Everything improving my books I've outsourced, like outsourced the description. Then I take the description and actually go in and I upgrade it, because although the guy I'm paying him very little, his descriptions are fantastic, really well done. There are certain things that I need to break up, I need to bold, I need to add in, and I need to, you know, improve the copy on. Because even though he's got a copy, it can be improved. So yeah, I've got all the fees it cost me. Book writing, yeah, I've got a new book coming. I actually wrote 2 books, actually, sorry. So yeah, these are the expenses that it cost me. You know, the marketing was quite high because I didn't monitor a lot of it. But yeah, this is January. It only goes from the 5th because I forgot to get the screenshot. And then here, this is February. And this is March. You know, see, it kind of went down. February was a good month, and then March, terrible. These are just Kindle Unlimited reads. These are my royalties. So as you can see, I made most from US now. It doesn't look that good, but at the same time, it's like... This, I kind of lost money from the Kindle, but from the research that I've done on the split test, the actual Amazon ads, they've actually pushed CreateSpace sales. So yeah, this is one of the things that I've noticed. That someone will go into your Kindle book and they say, oh, this is a paperback book, or they see there's an audio book, and they're going through and purchase that. So you can't see the data, but once I stopped the ads, I stopped getting sales on this book. As soon as I put it back on, boom, I started getting sales. So there was a correlation in between my Amazon ads and the paperback sales. I did it 3 times just to see if it was, and I stopped it for a week, and the sales dropped on both Kindle and CreateSpace, and then they jumped back up when I had it. You know, every time I did it, it was just like, okay, this is happening. So yeah, there was a huge correlation between ads and the paperback sales. But again, yeah, I only made 316, 462. So as you can see, yeah, it's good. You know, it's lovely passive income. So again, here we go. Here's my ACX royalties for this was December. I always get a month back. So for January income report, it's going to be December. For February, it's going to be January. This is the January report. I don't know why there's no January on here. And this is February. Oh, here we go. So they put it here. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, I've got that Kindle Fire back in me now. I want to do it. I want to get into the niches. Now, I did have this here, the top 10 niches, but what's happened is right now is I'm currently still creating this list. So if you want to get in on this, click here, and there will be a pop-up. I haven't created right yet, but there's a pop-up going to come here. It's going to pop it, log in, and then when I do create this list, boom, I'll send it straight to you. As I talk about review swaps, I've actually stopped them 100%. I highly advise you to read this post, because this post will basically outline everything and my thoughts on review swaps and why you need to do it, because review swaps are becoming a really hot topic now in Kindle publishing, and they have been for a while, but in 2018 it's more than ever. So yeah, I've also got the free Kindle publishing course, which is the same at the top. So if you want that, boom, pop in your email there, get the free course. Now this is about my blog, about Fresh Belief. Now, what can I say? I feel a little bit disappointed that I haven't hit the area I wanted to get to. The magic number that everybody talks about is $10,000 per month. Whether it's Kindle, whether it's blogging, whether it's affiliate marketing, it's like, yeah, get to $10,000 per month and you're the god, you're the king. And it didn't happen. But there is positivity. This is the blog post about where I earned $17,000 from my blog since the start. It's like, I think like 20,000 now. But at the same time, you just it's all about progress, and I believe that because I never kept on track with my Kindle publishing business, everything went down because my blog was related to my Kindle business. And my Kindle business is bad, my blog does bad because I'm not writing, I'm not doing anything, you know, and people aren't able to keep track and progress, so they ignore you. So yeah, Jay Zoo, I earned in total $1,041, which is not bad. Not doing anything. ClickBank, I earned this. 460. Associates is quite bad. SiteGround, I had 3 sales, which is quite nice. I still highly recommend SiteGround. Being great company, great customer service, always keeps my websites running. Alright, so another business I started was Razor Sharp Copy. This is a writing business. This business, some articles I write, some articles I outsource. With this, when I outsource, the reason why I outsource some of the articles is because I want to spend time on my own business. But the most important thing that you do in any business, whether your Kindle, your blog, or affiliate marketing, or email marketing, or writing, is having high quality articles. Now, some of these guys, what I've done is I've outsourced, and I've found high quality article writers who are specific in their niche. How can this relate to your Kindle business? Well, when you hire somebody for writing a book, hire someone who knows exactly about that subject. Because if they know about that subject, what happens then? Is you have a better book, it becomes a cheaper rate, and they're a specialist, and it comes out in their voice. Also, sign them up for a multi-book deal, because then you get the same voice and the same guy. It's a headache to hire people. Let me know below if you want me to create a hiring course. I'm thinking about doing it anyway, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, my income. Over the last 3 months, I earned 1,886. Sourcing clients, this is I hire somebody to basically source my clients. My proofreading, was $150. The reason why I hire a proofreader is, unlike my blog, where I should hire a proofreader, but whatever. Because you'll see some mistakes, but it's like, I don't care. This is raw stuff. Is I'm giving it to clients, and it's not like my blog where. Sorry, it's not like my blog where I'm actually just putting something out. I'm actually giving this to a company. So this piece has to be professional. It has to be checked. It has to be going into their audience. They're paying me for this. They're paying me a high quality dollar for this. I get $200 for a 1,000-word article. So that's the point. Like some I've actually been paid as high as $300 for a 1,000-word article. But at the same time, you got to be thinking: is this piece good as you can write it? Is this piece the best piece you can give that person? Well, if it's not proofread and outsourced, no. So anything you do in business, make sure it's always quality, because if it's not, it will come back to bite you in the bottom, or bite you in the ass if you other stuff. So yeah, all right, let's going on. All right, so yeah, other expenses. I use Skype. GetResponse is a service that I'm basically changing over from now. I use ConvertKit, but I still use GetResponse for my email marketing. My Kindle business, because on ConvertKit you can't have multiple names, multiple hidden names. You can only have one name. So you can technically do it, but it's very difficult. But with GetResponse, I can have multiple names on the autoresponder. Hosting, again, this was SiteGround. It cost me a pretty penny. I have several business. Education, I spent a lot on courses. I'll be revealing them once I'm happy with them. I've taken a few ones for my blog. Yes, mainly been my blog. And I think another one I've taken, but yeah, it's just been helping me improve my blog. And this $600 investment has been a good investment, because it's actually put me back on track. It's actually put me back on track that I think now, well, as you've seen, I'm making more than that from my blog, but putting me back on track now that I'm actually going to be moving forward and making money, where before I just stop it. So these are just email addresses I use for my it's my blog, my writing business, and my pen names. I've only got three of them. So outsourcing, nothing. Domain names, FreshBooks. I highly recommend FreshBooks. It makes all of my businesses 10 times easier when it comes to tax time. Boom, give that to what's it called? The accountant. That's what it's called, the accountant. And yeah, it's easy. So yeah, most of this, it came from hosting and education. Is that even right? I think it is 240. Yeah, this could be wrong. I don't know. I've got to recheck it out. I should have checked this before. But yeah, something I want you to check out. Okay, so this is my French gym, Warwatener. And what they're doing is they're helping the kids in Isan to... Okay. They're helping the kids in Isan to be able to, they're just doing something really, really good for the kids in Isan. I'll load it up when it appears. So yeah, I think I've even got Instagram here. There we go. Instagram. Let's just click on that. There we go. So yeah, they're helping the kids in Isan. They're doing a fantastic job. I love what my friend Francis and Boom are doing up there. They're doing amazing stuff, and the progress they're making is fantastic. Now, the current courses I recommend for blogging, the one that helped me to get $17,000 per month, is Income Boss. Go to johnnymethod.com. And for self-publishing, go to lucamethod.com at Self-Publishing Revolution. They're both the courses which helped me get to where I am today. Now, if you purchase any of these through my affiliate links, all the links on here are affiliate links, I'll give you 30 minutes free mentoring for the Income Boss and Self-Publishing Revolution, whichever one you purchase. You purchase them together, you get an hour's mentoring. That's not bad. So yeah, so quarterly income report, I made $6,343, so an average of $2,000 per month. Now I could, this is the great thing I like about bloggers and all this stuff. It's like, yes, you know what, I made $2,000 per month. When I mean that's BS, I actually only made my profits of over under 1,000. So yeah, I just want to show you this quickly. So this is their profile, this is their daughter sitter. And yeah, they're doing an amazing job. Bet has just become a Isan champion. This is Zach. He's a big donator. So this is Murray. So the Instagram. Go follow them on their Instagram at Watania. And yeah, doing great stuff. They're all the donations, they go back into the community. There's better when it's titled. Yeah, they go back into the community. So I highly recommend that you donate $5. There's going to be I've got a link here. Donate. Just think about it. $5 a month is nothing. So yeah, overall, I made just under $3,000 profit over 3 months, which is not bad. And like I say, if I can do it, a guy with no skills 2 years ago, I didn't know much about blogging or anything, and the first website I'd made, I paid someone $600 to make. I can make that same website in 30 minutes now. So yeah, you're gonna learn skills over time if you need to learn how to do stuff online, get YouTube, whatever. But yeah, if a guy like me can do this kind of stuff, I believe that you can do it too. Now, everything that you've seen in this post, I'm going to link in the description below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and I'll answer. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this income report, and every quarter these are going to come out. Alright, have a great day.